Here's where you can go to enable the Raise to Wake on your KE3 smartwatch, the one that looks like this here and works with the Fit Cloud Pro app itself. To find it on your watch itself, you can swipe down from the very top while viewing the clock face and tap on the settings right here. Once in the main settings of your watch, go to Display. And in the display section, the last option you'll see Raise to Wake. As you're here, you're going to see this right here and just choose the seconds there. Press the check mark and double check it there. Now this is going to be a bit of a hit and miss as to it doesn't work all the time, but when it does, it's going to work something like this here. Okay, it's basically if it's worn on your wrist here, it's a specific movement that will have it to wake up. Okay, so you're going to kind of see the watch. There you go. So you're going to see the screen wake up itself, right? There you go. And if you don't see it on the watch itself and it's synced with the app now, once you go into the app itself here, you'll go to device. And within the device section, you're going to look for this feature right here. Just go down, you'll see Raise to Wake. Then when you go there, you'll just simply turn that off. Okay, so lift your watch and point the screen towards yourself to view the time. So that's basically what it does. Okay, so if this guide helped you, like and sub.